script, then you can go for body tag, create a table, align center, cell padding 12, T head you can write, TR you can write, TH you can write, serial number, next TH, PROD is to keep product name, next TH, product price, next TH, quantity, next TH, delete. Action you can write here, ACTI action. Write a T body, under T body we can give here ID equal to item list. ID equal to item list. Okay, now data will be stored under the array. Once you run the page, on load, data will come from the array, will go to the function. Function will generate the TR and it will pass to this variable called item list. On load call a function. On load equal to call a function called get item. Under the get item function, you will do something. Get item function. Okay. Now create a array here. Variable item list, or maybe all item equal to a square bracket. Inside that you can store maybe one item or maybe two items for testing purpose. Name you can write here Apple. You can keep their price 300. You can keep their QTY 5. Same way you can add to the second level of array also. So then 100 quantity 15. Get the length of that under the get item. See, is it coming or not? alert here, alert all item dot length. For how many people alert is coming? Let me know, yes, no. Onload alert should come. Getting the alert. How many? 2 or 3? 2 will come because total elements how many have? Total element we have 2 elements only. First flower bracket is the first element, second one is the second element. Go here now, run the loop now, create a variable data equal to empty array, come at this place, write all item dot map. Item info comma index. Next, after that, the data plus equal to, you have to create the tr open close, and here td will also come, total 4 td. td is open, td open, td close. Everywhere will have serial number as well as index plus 1 you can print, or index also you can print directly. So here item info dot name, item info dot price, item info last. Once the array is finished, loop is finished, document dot get element by id. Which id? Item list. We have made here item list. Under the item list, you can send this all as a inner HTML. Inner HTML equal to the variable called data. /n we can keep here. /n. /n keep everywhere. Keep a alert. It will guide you what is happening under the for loop and how it is generating the products. Here we can keep alert, we can keep here as a data variable. You will come to know 2 times it will generate the tr. And finally, the list of the TR will go to the item list. Once you do OK, it will give you a list of items. Yeah. So we got anything? What is the final output? Look at here. When we run the page, see how many TR is coming in alert. 2 TR, 1 TR from here to here, second TR from here to here. Right? Slash n you are given because of that printing the new line. This TR how it's generated. Look at here. Your data is available under the array. When the function will call, function will read the data from array, and after reading the data from array, inside the function only under the map, it's creating the row. How many row will be there? That depend on the number of products. Okay. And finally, the number of TR, number of element you have inside the array, that many number of TR will generate, and it will go to the item list. That is here. When I do OK, you can see here list of items are coming. Action, we need to keep one button, delete button. Let's go here, add one more button called delete. Add a button called delete. Close the button. Now slash n, all you can remove. Slash n is removed now. So alert will come as a single line alert. Once you do OK, it will print inside your browser. Let us know. So getting the list for how many people?
Sir, can you please scroll down the space?
HTML you want to see?
I don't know why I'm not getting this output.
You have to call on load.
Yeah, already I have called. Still not getting.
Check in console.
Yeah, let me check.
What is the condition? Okay, so let's go ahead. I will share you this script to a script. If not working, you can use that. Again, I will share you the body portion of HTML part. Body to body, you can use that also. Once. Now go to your array, add 2-3 more product and check that once you reload the page, it's coming in the browser or not. Inside the array, add 2-3 more products. Once we run the array, we can check once is it coming in the list or not. we added data is coming. Now let's see first how to delete that. Whichever the button we click, that particular element should get deleted. So we have to write a function delete item. Function you write here called delete item. Inside you can pass index. Which index you want to delete. There is a function called splice function. Using item.splice, item.splice, splice, we can pass here index comma 1. 1 for delete, 0 for add. 1 for add, delete, 0 for add. Get item. Get item. So once we click on delete button, we need to call that function. After that, it will delete the element. And after deleting the element, reload the list after deleting the element. Reload the list after deleting the element. Okay, so hope ready. Next, after that, see what is happening here is it's happening like you have multiple products here inside the table, inside the list. If you want to delete the product number 1, you have to send this index position. Once you click on button, this position we have to send to the function. Here, once you click on this button, the position that is called index should go to this function called a delete item function. Delete item function will call a splice method. Using a splice method, it will delete a given element from a particular position. Now call this function here inside the on click. On click equal to call this function delete item, and in delete item you have to pass inside the delete item you have to pass call as a index. You have to pass as a index. Before deleting, first keep a alert here. Index what is coming, 0 1 2 3 should come here. Delete item function, dot with some space. Delete item function is here. Delete item, index we pass. Delete item here. Index 0 1 2 3 should come. So in delete item function we are passing as a index value. It can be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, whichever we will pass, it will go here. And finally once you click on delete button, you will see a alert as a position 0 1 2 3, whichever we click, and that position element will get deleted from the array. That particular position element will get deleted from the array. Check it once, is it happening?
So for me, the output is not coming from the first.
We'll send you this file, you can use this file. Okay, the code is in your chat, complete file. You can download and use it. Anything? Getting alert? 0 1 2 3. So once you click on a particular button here, the alert came as a 0, deleted. Alert came as a again 0, deleted. If I click on second one, alert will come as a 1, 1 will get deleted. 0, 0 will get deleted. A splice function work in two way. Using a splice function, we can add also. We are going to see how to add. Using a splice function, we can delete also. But a splice function have two fixed value. One will help you to add the value. 0 will help you to delete the value. Okay, using one, you can delete the value. Using one, you can add the value. What we are given here called 1. It's going to help you to delete the value, fix the value. Here we'll add 0 and then we'll increase the number of parameter here. It will add the element. Okay. Which function? The splice function. The splice function work in how many ways? Two ways. It help to add the element also. It help to delete the element also. So now you are deleting the element. Check once. No, only one person has replied. Other are silent completely. It is kind of delete from the cart. You have seen no in Flipkart. In Flipkart, you will say remove from the cart. Suppose you go add to cart, if you do, multiple items will get added in your cart. Then once you click on delete cart, it will get deleted from the cart list. That is this function only. Which function? The splice function. Using a splice function, we can remove the item from the array on a particular position. Saving function, listing function, both are in front of you. Please compare and let's reply once. If working, then we can design a form and we can add the new value. Happening. Okay, come down then. This table you have given align center. Give aligned right. Give aligned right. So it will go right side of the screen. Before that, create one more table. Keep align left. ALIGN align equal to left. And cell padding equal to 10, 12. Write a caption or add item. Add item. Now create a TR here, 3 TR. Create 3 text boxes. Name, price, quantity. TH, call item name. Next TH. Next TD. Item should be text box. Input type equal to text. After that, ID equal to pname, item name, item price, item quantity, item price, item quantity. We have to add the value pname, p price, pqty, pqty. Finally, one tr will be there. Th, call span equal to 2. Button open close. You can write here called save item. Check it once. Okay, so what is coming? It should give you the one particular form in the left hand side, something like this. Form is in the left side and the data is available in the right side. Now when we enter the value in the left hand side, click on save button, it should come to the right side. If you delete from here, it should go from the right side. So hope your form is ready. Yes, no. On click, call a function called save. On click equal to call a function called save. Okay, this is called. Right now, save function you have to write here. In save function, what we will do? First, write a function called save. Under the save function, simply you call a variable call new item equal to copy one array element from your array. Copy one element from array, keep here, and after that, call a function. Call concat function also we can use. Item dot concat. All item equal to all item dot concat new item. New item. Then after that, this fellow is working on this corner only last 3 days. I don't know his hand will be overload or not. Continuous look like machine. Reload the list after adding new element. Once you click on save button, new item will get added. Hmm. Item equal to all item dot concat. It's like A equal to A plus B. All item is already holding something. In that again you added one more new element and assigned to where? All item itself. Like A equal to A plus B. The value of A plus B add and give to A only. Same thing here. Once you click on save button, the same item will keep adding. If you click on save button, same item will keep adding continuous. Click on save button and check once same item is getting added or not. Same item should get added. इधर एक काम फंसा हुआ है। Okay, so go ahead next. So hope after clicking on save button, is that list is listing, items are listing or not? When you click on save button, it's coming on the right side. List is increasing. See the flow is here. Once you click on save button, you are calling the save function directly. Save function have already one array. This array we are merging with the existing array. And after merging with the existing array, concatenation, you can say after concatenating with the existing array, again we are calling the get item function. Once you call the get item function, what it will do, get item function will check under the all item, whichever the newly added elements are there, again create the list and display inside the page. So here the get item function becomes a callback function. It is calling in the last. For what purpose? To reload the list. This should become dynamic now. This should not be like this. It should become dynamic. This value should come from the here. P name, P price, and then which one? PQTY. P name, P price, and then PQTY. So you can come here. Let's go and keep this line as a new. All keep in the new line. All keep in the new line. First modify like this. Okay, after doing that modification, the name will come from where? By default, you are given as a mango. It should not be by default mango. Mango should come from this text box. In this text box, whichever the value will enter by user, that value should come here. Under the price box, whichever the value is entered by user, that should come here. Under the QTY, whichever the value is entered by user, that should come here for the QTY. So we can go here and we can write now document dot document dot get element by id, which id? P name dot value. Next, after that, p price dot value and pqty dot value. P price dot value and pqty dot value. Qty dot value. Qty dot value. P price, pqty. Now, if you click on save button, hopefully it should display the list of Okay, happening or not happening? See in that logically, if you see name colon, what was written earlier? Mango was written. Now what we say? Name colon document dot get element by ID. P name dot value. So name will get the value from where? Text box. Here price will get the value from where? Text box. QTY will get the value from the text box. And finally it will create a array of object called new item. New item will concat to the all item. So if we go here and suppose we enter AA price something save. That was supposed to come here. What error happened? Let us check. Hmm? What is P price? Okay, PQTY. Okay, that can be also mistake. Let me see. Getting added every time. You can add, you can delete, you can. Now after saving the value, can you clear the text box? After saving the value, can you write here something to clear the text box? Document dot get element by ID. Which ID? Pname dot value equal to empty. This way. After saving the value, we can write this line here. Document dot get element by ID dot value equal to empty. Just to clear the text box. Write the same thing. PID. Okay. Added. Check now. One text box should get clear. If you add something here, click on save button. It add and clear. Similar way, we have to add remaining dot value equal to empty. Next, after that, qty dot value equal to empty. Something like this. It is going to clear the text box. Check now. Happening. Clearing or not? Clearing. Okay. Next, after that, when we add the new value, any value you add here, click on save, it will get added. Click on delete, will get deleted. Now display one message saying like item deleted successfully, item added successfully. Try that. Display one message in your page anywhere, top, bottom, last, anywhere. When we click on save button, it should display item added successfully. When we click on delete button, it should say item deleted successfully. Do some R&D. Try. Hope you are able to print. Able to print anywhere. Here also you can display in the beginning, item added successfully, item deleted successfully. Or yeah, here also, before first table also we can use a paragraph, and there we can display id equal to message. Now under this message variable, pass some content from the JavaScript side at least. Paragraph is ready. In that you pass some dynamic content. Item added successfully, item deleted successfully. Yeah, hope it displayed the message. Anyone can send the link where you wrote what you wrote in the chat. Can you send the link? Can you set the line? Send the line. What we have written here while saving the data. You wrote anything, no? Let me know in the chat what you have written. How you are displaying the message in paragraph. So we wrote document dot get element by id message dot inner html equal to inside paragraph you are sending the h3. Inside paragraph you are sending h3. That way why you wrote the code. Send their direct message. This is the data. So inner html equal to item should show item added successfully. Item added successfully. Let it display, no problem. Once you delete that, the message should change. Item deleted successfully. Item deleted successfully. item deleted successfully. Item deleted successfully. Okay, so hope written, delete is happening, save is happening. You are able to add, you are able to delete, message also printed properly. Next, let's come add one small validation here while saving. While saving, it should not save directly. While saving, it should not save directly. When we are clicking here on button, directly it's going. See here, directly it's came. We can apply a condition here. At least name level, you can apply a condition. Apply here. If document.getElementById dot value. Okay, let me pick it separate and store in a variable. A variable called name equal to we can write here if name is empty, name is not empty, name not equal to empty, then only this work has to be done. One level of one variable. If name is not empty, then this task has to be done. In case if the name is empty, this task should not happen. If name not empty, then it should happen. Else, it should say invalid. It should say invalid. Invalid name, invalid input. So see here, if condition is added here in the beginning, if name is not empty, then only this all should work. This all should happen if name is not empty. If name is empty, it should come to the else part directly. Right? So my skill rows are next also. written. Okay, hope ready. Next, after that, enter the value. See what is saying as a invalid. At least name is required here. If you enter the name, then it will take the remaining. If you not enter the name, it will say you invalid. Okay. Based on this, I will give you one small task. You can do that. Let's show us if you are able to do. Where is that photo is assignment, HTML assignment. So the people have sending photo. Check once in the group, you will get one photo. In group one photo will come. It's the same thing, similar way. What we have made now, T head, T body, some color combination. Edit you can do. One more file I will give you. That is called boot assignment. Yeah. This photo will be in your chat. Let me share this photo in your chat. You can take a screenshot also. I will show it. Just hold on. Transport photo. It's coming in your chat. Transport photo came to your chat. Now take the photo also. Take the photo also of this file. You will enter the data in website, click on save button. It should appear in right side. Got that photo? Hmm? Hmm? You can see no a structure. A structure you can see and then try that. I will share you in your WhatsApp from my phone. In phone also not being clear. The root number is nothing but delete button. In the last we have here root master, that is called delete button. Once you click on that, it should get deleted. When you enter here, click on save, it will come in right side. Click on delete, it will get deleted from the list. Using bootstrap, you can try it.
In action column, the one button is there, Roadmaster.
That
So
convert into delete. Action column, there is one button called root master. You can change to delete. And
okay,
once
sir.
you can delete, the items will get deleted from the list. This file came to your chat, the source code. You can follow once. So file downloaded. Tomorrow we'll enter under the next part, that is called Ajax, JavaScript Ajax. And we have called oops part. So first we'll finish the Ajax, then we'll come to the oops. But that tomorrow. I have some problem from the office work. Some error has come, unexpected error. So fixing that. We'll see you tomorrow again. First we'll finish the oops part, JavaScript